Good morning, good morning, morning.
Buenos dias. Like in here this morning, Nor.
Bro, honestly, I don't even know.
I don't really love anything either.
Yeah. What was
Yo,
Benji's main watch and Frankie's?
SMCI.
That
SMCI in Apple.
Oh, Apple. At what
Yeah,
level? 214?
yeah,
Possibly.
pretty much. Yeah, that's the safest way to play it.
There's a trend on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
214 is above the trend though.
The gas starts at 213.60 ish.
Uh-huh.
Um, so
Room up
really,
to
for me, as long as it holds above that, I'll probably take it at 214.
damn, room up to 219.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's quite a bit of room, bro.
Did you see the stock that Kunal mentioned?
Yeah, I just looked at it. I've definitely played this before. Just I know the contracts suck.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take a look though. Let's see how much open interest. Yo, look at. Yeah.
I'm at to look. I'm at to look at it.
Yeah. No, I'm good.
A
Um,
whopping 13 for the
no
882.
chance. Yeah.
I mean, I get it because nobody was buying that far out the money. But even when I scrolled down, there's still nothing there. Like the most open interest I see on one of them is like 838. Oh wait, 1,000 on the 850s.
The 900s have 966.
Yeah.
I've never seen a bid at 0 and then the ask at two
That's the
two
shit
three.
Canal brings to the table, man. That's what you got to deal with.
That's wild.
They work out like 95% of the time though.
They do. They work out often.
I just see Kunal say scaling out at 50% profit right here. It's like what?
Yeah.
Huh?
Going to lunch early today.
Yo,
I'll still be watching it. I'm gonna keep an eye on it.
what are
Yeah.
you talking about,
Just
George?
just cause.
It was Lily LLY.
Oh yeah,
I
I
mean,
was
in the off chance that this has volume and good like spreads, I'll have this ready at the open. Apple's still a little far away from me,
Apple
so
is a little far, honestly.
we're having Lily off the open.
SMCI's for me is really far. So
Yeah,
Uh,
BA took off as well.
yeah,
Where do you like Lily at, Frankie? Just the high, or would you wait?
bro, I don't know, man.
Nah,
That's
I
this
what
is
need
I.
gonna be a
Kunal for that
more of
one.
a momentum read,
Yeah,
Kunal was saying.
probably the 900 calls, right, at this point.
that's what I
Yeah,
have. Yeah,
I might wait for 885, see how we react around there. I think probably the cleanest level. If this is gonna shoot, it's gonna keep shooting, right? I mean, um, but see, it's already moved more than last earnings time. It
This is
usually
like
doesn't
the
move
only thing
this
close.
much.
Everything else is far.
that's why I'm. That's why. Yeah, that's why I mentioned this is the only thing I can have at open. If we were to look for an open play.
Yeah,
You
the
think
only
it's
thing
gonna
I
be like a rag, the 900s?
I didn't even
What?
look.
What'd you say?
You think they're gonna cost like a rag?
like a
I have
rag,
no idea.
a
I
rackaroo.
assume.
Oh, Apple just got a lot closer.
That's what I have at open,
All
bro.
Yeah.
right, I'll get that ready then.
Oh
Screw
wait,
this.
then who's gonna know if these contracts are
All right,
Kunal?
All right. I'll have it. I'll have it ready then. I'll let you know.
Kunal though. Kunal will have it.
Because I mean, technically, for me, I wouldn't touch this for another 15 bucks.
What is it at?
872,
Oh yeah, we
73.
got time.
Right now, I do want to see Apple maintaining strength before, like ahead of ES. I think that'll make this trade a lot better if it is.
Is there any other trends in the 1 minute? No, right?
I didn't see him. I'm gonna look again, but I don't think I saw any. I think the one that on the 5 minute had a lot of room.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
I
it's not the
saw.
5 minute. It's not the 5 minute.
Would you guys
15
be
minute.
looking at the 215 calls or
Yeah.
the in the money ones? Okay.
Room to 216.90 on the 15 minute.
In case those 215s are too cheap, I'll probably go to the
Okay.
212.50s.
Yeah, same here.
I think they'll be like $100.
Yeah,
Which I'm fine with that, to be honest.
we'll
As long
see.
as,
I'll
as long as it's over $1.
I'll tell you guys about Lily here in a bit.
That sounded funny.
I don't know if I want to take this on the first candle either, though.
Apple's just pushing though.
Yeah, that's the ones we're looking at. They're cheap. These are cheap.
Yeah.
Is it looking like the 212.50s?
I mean, they're over $1 right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they are over $1. It's about to have a red to green. I'm gonna at least wait for that trend to break first.
Same.
All right.
Lily hasn't. I was gonna say Lily hasn't opened yet, so.
All right. Well, we're looking at Apple 215 calls. 215 calls. AAPO.
No, that was so close for a red to green.
All right, I'm gonna just get Apple ready since Lily is just taking its time to open.
Oh, Lily's pushing though. What the fuck?
It's part of the NYC, so the contracts haven't opened yet, or the volume.
And we got time here. I'm with I wouldn't be surprised if ES comes back down and tests that 52.55 like Kunal was mentioning either.
What was this level?
52.55. I have the same one.
On what?
ES.
Oh. Yo, Lily still hasn't opened yet.
Unless I'm not on the contract anymore, so I
mean,
don't
I
know.
have
if
both
they are,
open.
Clearly see the 20 cent area here keeps getting rejected. Big rejection right there. So you're stay patient there. High day to low day.
SMCI ripped off the open.
Yeah, through 500.
Are these still not open yet? Nah.
They're not?
No.
Nah.
Crazy, bruh. B8, not even B8 does this.
Yeah, it's probably another minute or so. They're lucky it's just not like dropping.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, there we go.
150K in volume. Yeah, no shot with these contracts, bro. 20 volume on the 900s, and it's a $6 spread.
Yeah, it is.
It'll tighten up here though. It should tighten up in a little
I'm
bit.
sure. Yeah, I'm sure it would, but even with the volume, though, it's kind of trash.
See, it's already at 3. IB's
Alright,
at 140.
Apple pulled back, so I guess I'll just switch to Lily for the meantime, unless that get back above 213.
Less than $1 spread now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, 50 cents. That's not bad. I mean, it is dropping too.
But at least the bid in the ass should come, if it does come back up, better than it opened, of course.
Yeah.
I haven't swapped to Lily personally.
either.
I
Not
still
yet.
have Apple. Lily is really far.
like $20 far.
Good old George is in, huh? Nah, I'm not. I is not. Zero trades.
I looked at Baba. It did the same thing as Lily. It didn't open till like 2 or 3 minutes in.
You like that we're at 80?
Yeah, it's really far away from now. I would only take it off as like a at open play. I wouldn't take it if it's this far.
4 minutes later?
Nah, I promise you, I probably wouldn't. Like 80% chance I don't take it.
I
Baba, every time I've taken a Baba play, it's always in open play.
got you.
For SPY, I'm looking at calls here. With 525 calls.
Next days?
Yeah, next days.
Alright, I'm gonna swap over to that.
Is your play close?
No.
Not even close.
Contracts I'm looking at are the 525 calls for next days. Looking to play this momentum here. Yeah, I'm in SPY calls. 525 calls. Stop is gonna be 523.25, below that low a day. Using the consolidation to my advantage.
Maki, not that it matters to you, but there's a trend on the 1 hour, but it's not there till like 5:25 and change anyways.
I'll set my alerts there.
It just broke. Spot.
It's like 525 10-ish.
Yeah, around
20.
there. A little above.
All right. My issue is gonna be at 524.60. If that breaks, I'm good to go. Stop loss is if it makes a new low of day. So it breaks downwards in this consolidation range.
Frankie, I mean, we're never getting Apple, I guess.
Yeah, no. No shot at this point.
The stop's gonna be like 11% or so if it triggers. Giving it a second. If it has follow through, I'm gonna hit sell. This 523 is a major support, so you gotta give it a second. Yeah, if the buyers look weak here, then it'd be very easy to tell. So far, they're still there.
Damn, that shit is strong.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. They're stepping away. I got my finger on the trigger. Down 7% here.
You like? Oh, never mind.
SMCI.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I had 475. Do you like it before that?
One sec.
SPY's 30 cents away from stop loss. Down 5% here. Now these bars are still there, but there's no follow through above 524.
Would you look to add?
Yeah, I would honestly. I would look to add above 60 cents though. So at 70 is where I'd be interested in adding. 524 is 70 cents. And it lines up with pre-market high that high a day. So it should be a big break if it happens. The contracts are getting value. I'm almost green here. Come on, let's get price acceptance above 524. That's what we need.
Kanal, you think it's still possible to get Lily? Frankie, SMCI.
SMCI, yeah. I was gonna say, just triggered my first alert.
Where do y'all like it at?
I like it at 480.
The only problem is that 1 minute trend is at 478 or something like that.
Yeah.
I got the 450s loaded, but I might be far.
Hmm. Yeah.
$3.
I'm looking at the 470s right now, but those have low volume. I think that's what I'm gonna stick with though.
470s.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the 450 puts.
This thing's just
About to
free
sell
falling.
SPY. Alright, I'm selling SPY here. It's taking too long. Let's see how much percent we got. That was a 9% loss. If it re-triggers, I'll take it again.
Jose, are those contracts moving correctly? I didn't say crazy, I said correctly.
That's the first thing I.
They are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think yesterday it closed down 20%.
Yeah.
Absolutely insane.
It was down like $120.
Yeah. What's your alert at for this?
41.50.
Oh, okay. Mine was at the 30-cent one.
It just depends how we get there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not doing this no more, but I was thinking if we would have like went into for a new low right there, we would have H'd. I was gonna take half at below 483, but now
You
I'm
know,
gonna just wait.
you know what's crazy? I was thinking the same thing because I've been doing that all morning.
But it didn't trigger. So I don't think I'm doing that anymore.
That's really funny you mentioned that.
Alright, well, my stop, when I get, if I'm looking at 481 50 as my entry, my stop's going to be above the H, so like 488 will be my stop. I'm looking at the 450 puts. I'm in. So
I went in with light. I mean half.
yeah, I did have to. So I was just about to follow up on that. So my other half will come at 477. Market is dropping. $477 is where I'll add, and when I say half, it's half for a SMCI position, not a regular position.
New low.
Yeah. What was your fill?
I bought 2 times. My fill is 812.
Oh, well, we're in different pit.
360 for me. He took the 470s.
Mm-hmm. There it goes. Wow.
Market is dropping though. Keep that in mind. So this isn't ahead of the market, or it's not doing anything special. Market just dropped. I'm adding.
Same.
I just added, guys. I'm lowering my stop. If you want to just keep your same average, keep it safe. Just don't keep your small position. There's nothing wrong with that.
What are you lowering your stop to?
The top of that candle, so 487.50. It's not much of a lower,
Okay.
but it's there. As this continues to drop, if it continues to drop, I'll look to lower my stop even more.
Look at the volume on that candle.
I don't like that. That's not good. That means there was more buying on that candle, so I need this to bear flag soon or I'm going to get out.
Bounce right off that minute trend.
Yep. That's the trend I was talking about. Where's your stop, Frankie?
I sold on the pop.
Oh, you got out right away.
Yeah, I tried limit selling, it didn't feel me, so I had to just flatten the order.
You were green?
Yeah, made 700. I was up 1500 there at peak. That's when I tried selling limit because I thought I'd keep going, but I didn't get it.
You see anything else that's possible here today before?
I was looking around while you guys were in SPY and I didn't see anything.
I was looking around while Maki was in spot too. George, red to
Oh.
green.
Yeah, I don't like that. I think I'm gonna use 486 on the bid if it gets above. Should be pretty close to yours as well.
Yeah, I'm about to hit my stop. If this doesn't reject. Because every bear flag doesn't get above the previous high, so I'm going to just treat it like that. That's a good rejection right there.
Yeah. While ES is pushing here.
Mm-hmm.
So ES just the level we were talking about, 4 points away, and that's close enough to. Yeah, see, I don't like that red to green either.
It's getting there for me.
Yeah, same here. The bid did not cross 486 there. Seconds on this candle. NQ and ES are pumping though.
Yeah, but I can always get back in because this is a tight stop. So if I stop out, I'm not mad about switching. Did you play 450 puts or 480s with or 470s with Frankie?
Nah, I paid yours.
What did you get filled at on the buy?
360. Is that a bad fill?
A little, yeah. You got in after me?
Thought I got in there right at the same time.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Buys back again. Well, what I'm gonna do on the retry of spies, I'm gonna wait for a pullback, see how the pullback behaves.
George, once I hear my alert go off, I'm out.
Say that again?
I said once my alert goes off, I'm out. I'm not gonna
What's
wait
your
for
alert
it.
at?
487.28. It's a little early, but if it goes off, I'm just gonna get out.
Gonna retry SPY. It's good. It's the same contracts. 525 calls. And the ad comes in above 70 cents. Here comes the ad. Targets above 525.50. If we pull back here and the pullback is weak, I will add on the pullback itself instead of 70 cents. Target's the 1 hour trend. So just draw a trend on the 1 hour, you'll see it. Lines up around 526, but I'm being conservative with this, so I'm gonna sell before we get there. Here comes the pullback.
It didn't work for you, Ian?
Yeah. I have a long brain for the guy.
What happened though? You was trying to fill. I heard you.
Yeah, I told you.
I'm glad I didn't hold through the whole thing. I kept my stop loss super tight on the first try.
It worked.
Yeah.
What'd you trade?
I caught both plays with you and Mark.
Oh yeah.
I made like 120 total.
We're getting price acceptance above 524. That's the good part. You just need to keep seeing that. The stop loss is tighter on this one, guys. Since I could use 524 as a stop, the stop loss here is tighter.
Did you get to add?
I got to add. I got added at 70, and I'm gonna add if it pulls back again.
Okay. There's only one more thing I like, George.
What's that?
The I like meta
What level?
500.
You like 500?
Yeah, but the only problem is market just started pushing. If market pulls back, oh, it did. Market pulled back, meta's holding up here. I'm looking at the
Contracts.
505 calls. I might wait for a break of 500 though.
Yeah, I'd like it to hold 530 cents.
Up 15% here on SPY. Target's about to hit.
Damn, red to green on spot. Nice, Maki.
Target, yeah, target hit, guys. I'm selling the majority here. Sold the majority of those contracts at 15%. Now, this realistically has room to 528, but I'm not here to wait around to find out. So for this last position, I'm just targeting the trend. Meta should be close, right?
Yeah, but don't worry about it. The ask is at 500, George, so I'm waiting. It just broke by a cent on the ask. Oh, there it goes. Watch the bid.
It's lagging, no?
Yeah, that's the problem. I'm waiting here. If it wasn't for
gotta-
the market, I would have played 500 break.
About to sell the rest on SPY. Holy crap. The trend just hit, guys. I'm out.
Yeah, I can't take that, George. Unless you
Nah,
do.
me neither. No, I'm not, bro.
It's the
It just
market.
touched high a day here. If we can hold 500 and then ES gets a pullback, we're at right at 5,300 on ES.
Market just pulled back, so let's see now. Looking at the 505 calls.
The bid's below. Ask is still holding. But ES is not giving up. I got 53.15 room on ES from where it's at right now.
Yo, is anything at high of day? No, right?
Not that I'm seeing.
At least not the stocks we were watching.
Baba.
Baba?
Yeah, but like I said, I'm not taking that.
No?
That has to be an ad. The momentum isn't there for Baba for me to take advantage of those option contracts. That tomorrow though, if it sets up at 80 pre-market,
It's gonna gap right over, bro.
probably, but the off chance it holds, I'll be
Yeah.
there for it.
I got you.
Oh my
It,
god.
I like to say it held up really well when the whole market dropped.
It,
It didn't move too bad. It didn't get below the 70 level, which is part of the consolidation that it's been in for a long time now.
My shit.
what was that, Monkey?
Is Maki lagging?
It sounds like it, huh?
Yeah.
George market got a pullback. Let's just see what meta does. Okay.
Now it's getting the
Yeah,
pullback.
there we go. That looks a lot better on meta now. Ask is still stuck at 500. Even if it drops a little bit here, it's still strong against the market. That bid sucks though.
Yeah. Pulling it.
You would have thought that that would have dropped a lot more.
But my internet is quitting, so I have to leave. I take it easy,
Locking
bro.
out.
I can't do anything about it. I take it
Nah.
easy.
Alright, man. Take it easy. He said his internet's quitting. He ain't like Maki's attitude today.
He thinks he's in Sudan.
Oh, that's funny.
Market's still pulling back, George.
Yeah.
This
It's
has room,
below.
This has room up to 504.
Ah. 502.40 is my first target before 504. Are you still interested in SMCI if it comes back down correctly?
Nah. I
No?
just don't see a point in playing with light position like that right now. I'll just
Okay.
wait till it gives me the opportunity to play with a real decent position. $4.95. I mean $4.99.45 right there.
Ah.
I'm watching closer right here, George. I'm looking to see if I can get an early entry at 540 cents here.
Got you.
I'm looking at the 505 calls on meta. I'm in. That's what I like to see. That's a new high right there. Wow. See, that's the patience right there. Market did recover a little bit, but it was holding up way better than everything else. Look at the bid, George.
Yeah, it's holding now.
Yeah, it's just
Needed above 70 though. Needed above that high it made originally.
yeah, the bid's just not holding up well. It's my last trade of the day, regardless of what happens here.
Red to green there.
Did you take this with us?
Yeah. My fill's 351.
I got 355, Frankie.
Okay. Yeah, so we got the
It's
same
405 a contract right now. That's nice.
I'm looking to sell
Oh,
here
wow.
soon myself just for the scalp.
I'm
There
gonna
it goes.
hold. Obviously, whatever Frankie does, you can follow as well. Look, market pulled back hard again.
I want this to hold 50 cents here now. You're out of meta, Frank?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You sold on that push up there?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
That's a good. To me, that was a good call out. I like the momentum shift right there.
Yeah, contracts hit 405.
They hit 415. That's where I was trying to sell, but they didn't fill me.
Did they?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it. Right now they're at 4. Oh,
Oh,
415.
they're
Yeah. I see
yeah.
it.
About 502, I'll probably start scaling. Nor
Yeah, I'll sell like 25% above 502.
sell a third.
Another pullback.
Any cents? It's that bid, bruh.
Yeah, it literally is just the bid. If it wasn't for the bid, it would be a 503 right now. Ask should move
There it
higher now. Yeah, there we
goes.
go. The ask should pop to 90 cents. The bid is what's gonna lack here.
Also would like at least some help now from the market.
Yeah, market's pulling back pretty hard.
What's your stop on this?
Now probably 499.60, 499.50. It's a tight stop, but it'll be worth it for the reward to risk here. There we go, George. Look at the bid though again.
Yeah, it's not above 501 yet. There you go. Needs to hold. So you got help from the market now, and this needs to get going soon.
Nah, that bid is so annoying.
The ass needs to get super aggressive where it doesn't give it a chance.
Yo, the ask is like 40 cents away, but that bid sucks.
There we
There
go.
we go.
It's the bid still, bruh. Fuck.
50. Oh, there we go.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's a wrap. You just need the bid at 75 cents.
I will sell a quarter here. I mean a third.
I'm going to sell a quarter on the 502 break. I believe it just broke.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the bid to get above.
Me too. It's 430 a contract, by the way, guys. Wow. Without the bid. Here we go. The bid just touched 502, right?
I turned around. I didn't see it.
Yeah, it barely touched it, but it touched it.
7 cents away there.
There we go. 430 a contract from 355, so over 20% there. What's market do? Oh, market's pulling back. That's why.
Get on this next test. As
Oh,
long as we got
I like
volume
that
here.
bit. I mean that ask. Keep an eye on this. You're gonna get a quick pop. Yep. 502.20.
That touched the bid right
There
there.
it goes. Nice, guys. 430 a contract. I sold a quarter. I got 75% of the position left. Ooh, come on.
43 cents here is remember I mentioned 502.40. It's a level there as well.
I just peeked at the chat. Yeah, SMCI is not for everybody. That's why we go super late. Told you guys yesterday. Oh, there it goes, George. Nice. Look at that bid. Just popped.
All right, finally officially sold a third.
I had sold 25%. I'm looking to sell another 25% here, guys. Just waiting for another push here. 455 a contract.
Yes, it's starting to push though, so this needs to get to 503 pronto.
I sold another 25% up there. We're still there. Selling or sold.
So you got half left.
Yeah, I got half left. A little bit more. Above 503, I'll sell another 25%. As long as we pop above 503, I'll get filled. Can you set an alert, George? Oh, actually, never mind. I threw out the break.
Yeah.
Market's pushing too, though. Stop loss is green now, so don't let it go past break even. Pull back in the market, Meta's still holding up, so it's not following the market at all, George. So it really doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
If this holds, just broke it. I'm trying to see if it holds that. Holds that, I still like this a lot.
Look at this. Watch the bid right here. Nice. 503 about to break. Oh my god. It just broke. I'm waiting for the bid to get above 503 and I'm going to sell another 25%.
Up at over 20% right here, so
You're only up 20%?
over 20. Yeah, I got a little bit later fill than you.
Oh.
Again, I don't know why. Need to swap to Moo soon.
I was gonna say it's because you're not on
Yeah.
Moo.
Need to swap a Rooski. Just bought back up right here. It's a wrap here.
Yeah, this looks crazy if this goes green right now. While the market's
Did it break?
dropping.
It broke, yeah, by 14 cents. The bid never got above, right?
I didn't see it. It might have like flickered at it, but other than that, no. Let's see a green candle on the market and let's see what happens. Nice. Here we go, George.
I got 2/3 of my position.
I have 50% left. Guys, get ready because I think we're going to get a pop soon if we're going to get it at all.
You selling everything or just another quarter?
Just another quarter, and then I'll only have 25% left that I can leave to my final target of 504.
Okay. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna sell a third and then have a third.
460 a contract. Should be over 30% now.
This is right there. See, now it's holding above. If we get a little bit of help of the market, we should go right through.
You're gonna get it right here, as long as that bid gets to 85 cents. What's your stop, George, for the trailing?
I don't think I want this below 501. I think 501.
Yeah, I'm gonna use 501 as well. I'm gonna set an alert just in case.
That
That's a good trade for today's market because we found the strength there. And we waited for that. There was so many rejections.
she was sniper, to be honest.
Ended the day break even because of that.
What'd you say?
Ended break even because of that. I took a loss on SMCI.
Oh, yeah. I did too on SMCI.
Yeah, peak sell for me.
If you don't want your trailing stop to go down to 501, you feel like it's too far, then you don't have to.
You can wait for, yeah, it's up to y'all. I just, like you said, I worked so hard on the hard part, and if it's holding up in front of the market, I still like it. I mean, I prefer it to hold 502. Don't get me wrong. 501, I should still be green. On the rest of them. Remember, we already scaled out.
Yeah. Remember, it's my last trade of the day, so I'm walking away after this. Still have 50% of the position left in meta. Not allowing it to go red at all, actually, so.
I do like where it bounced there.
Yeah, that's crazy. If the bid could show any type of respect right now, that would be great.
Looks like a nice bull flag here,
I
possibly.
might wait to sell the 25% now because of this candle.
I'll wait with you. No, I'm gonna sell a couple where I'm at 50% of my
Oh,
position.
yeah, because you have 2/3 left.
Next break of 503, just to keep it safe.
$0.20 left here. There we go. 450 a contract again. Yo, George, look at the bid.
Yeah, it's
Oh
starting
my
to come
God,
here.
there it goes. That's without the market. Guys, I still have 50% of the position left. I'm getting rid of it soon. I have 25% ready to sell.
Market's dropping though.
It is, yeah. They just want to make it as hard as possible.
The bid needs to come on.
It's
There we
holding
go.
well, bro. I don't see anything wrong yet. This is crazy. If anything, this is gonna shoot. Oh, look at that.
It
Just
just
hit a
sold me a
high.
limit sell there, a few extra, so I'm at 50% of my position now.
I'm still in. I still have that 50% left. I'm waiting for 503.50 if I can get that.
You're gonna sell the quarter or you're no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Honestly, with this type of market, I should get out all of it, but I'm still gonna follow the plan here.
think I'm raising my stop now, bro.
To what?
501.50.
All right. Yeah, I
It's
could
not
do
much, but it's not much, but
that. Yeah, I could do that. There it goes.
waiting for the here. Still nicely green here for those. Yeah, it's behind now big time, but see if it gets bought up.
Yeah, 501.50 on the ask, guys, is what we're looking at. What the fuck is that? Let me type that out. 501.50. Stop.
That's for me. That's why I do the ask on those occasions. Doesn't mean it won't come back and stop me out. But look how it got bought up there. Exactly where my new stop is at. I like exactly where it got bought up. It just needs more though. It's not enough. $0.43 right there, bro.
Still moving by itself, George. All these moves are by
ES,
itself.
yeah, ES is right at 53.15. 53.20 is where I need to start being careful with ES. I would like for us to get there beforehand.
440 a contract. If you've been wanting to sell, keep giving you a chance, so don't cry about it later.
They should be up 20% still at this point.
Well,
53.20 on ES. We should get a pop through. If we hold 53.20, we got room to 53.40, I believe. Yep, look at that. Let's see what happens here. To hold this 53.15 on ES. The bid's above 502. Okay. ES is bouncing where we needed it to bounce. Meta is as well. Needs to happen soon. Be a 30-minute close.
George, if it rejects one more time, I'm out, by the way.
Yeah, I'm with you on this, especially with ES
Yeah, this
pushing
is
like that.
wild.
Alright, we need 53.20 now to hold on ES now.
There's a trend on QQQ though.
Have on ES there.
Finger on the sell button for me. It needs to happen now.
I'm with you. I'll be stopping out with you.
I'm about to give it a countdown right now. $4.30 a contract still. I mean, market had a pullback. It holds up like that. It's still.
Yeah, it's rejecting 53.20.
Damn. $0.10 more here on the ask would be great. I need 86 cents on that ask, and then we should get going. And then if we don't get going from there, I'm walking away.
Hit 85 there.
Still green as hell right now.
Yeah, people should be over 20% still.
86 is what I need to see. If we get to 86 and we don't push, I'm out. We're at 80 flat.
Bit came up a little bit. Momentum's dying out on ES here.
Yep. You need it right here, like ASAP.
Dropping, meta's holding.
Yeah, that's the only reason I'm still in right now.
As long as ES doesn't go below 53.15 and meta stays right here, I think still like this.
What the fuck? Yo, bro, this is crazy.
ES looking like a
I need
Put it right here.
86 cents. So
ES
far,
bounce.
so close.
Yeah. Think I'm getting ready not to. What level's Tesla, Mr. G?
There's nothing on Tesla. I got out of Meta 502, George. There's more, and there's a high chance it bounces again, but I don't even want to be around for that.
Sure. You still saw green over 10%. Didn't trigger my alert there. Still holding. But I'll be stopped. I got my finger on the trigger here, personally. ES is bouncing where I needed it to bounce. But it still needs to hold 53.20.
Yeah, I mean, if it was any other day, I would hold, but this still looks great. It's just not the day for me to be holding.
Nah, I'm with you. You did the right thing there, to be honest. That was a great trade anyways. I think what, y'all got like 35% or 40 at the top?
Like 30. I gotta do the math. Yeah, like 30.
Nice trade there. I need to see these next candle close above 50 cents, 502.50 soon.
Where did Maki sell SPY? Like above 526, right?